Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In our previous video, I have written our article using Google Docs. Now we are going to format it. Let's head over to our Google Docs. The title of our article was "Why is Amazon KDP terminating accounts?" Highlight it, click here. That's where we are going to click. Let's click there. So where it's road normal text, we are going to click there. So let's click title. This is the title of our article. Heading 1. Let's click there, right. Normal text. Now let that one serve as subtitle. So let's make the paragraphs of the heading 1. The paragraph of the heading 1. So they are numbers. Number 1, evaluate content, collect proofs, speak with KDP support. So click here. No, let's click here. Sorry. So let's click here. After we click there, we are going to click where it roads. No, we are coming down here. If you like, you can use this. Let's click this 3 dots line and see what will happen. Let's click there. You see, you have seen, right? If you are not pleased with that one, you could click here. Click there. Let's click there. Let's click there and see. So let's pick this one. Let's pick this one. Let me click there. So you see how it looks. So for the sake of this video, that is what we are going to be using. Let me highlight it. Those paragraph of heading 1. We want it to be that way. So let's go there. Here we go. So let's click here. Let's click there. So you see how it looks. You see? That's how it looks. So you see how we format our articles. So this is the body. Advice on avoiding terminations in the future. So let's bold this one with the letter B here. This letter B, if you want to bold it, this is where you are going to click. As we all know that this video is for beginners purpose, so let's click the letter B. As we all know that this video is for beginners purpose who don't know how to use Google, who has never written for a client. So let's click there. Yeah. This paragraph was duplicated, so we are going to delete one. Alright, here we go. So if you like, you can highlight these points. by clicking the letter B. You can bold it. After you highlight it, then you click the letter B. Here you see how it bold. All these key points, we are going to be bolding those key points. That's it. So let's bold this, the path of reinstatement. We're gonna bold this, the path of reinstatement. Highlight it, then click the letter B. Highlight it, then click the letter B. Now here we go. Here's the conclusion of our article. So let's break the conclusion into the middle side. Your article into the middle center of your content. You are gonna click here. Click here. So after you click there, then you click here. Now it has come there. What we are gonna do, we are going to bold it by highlighting it. After highlighting it, we are going to click the letter B. Here we go. So I am not pleased with this form of writing, so I'm gonna click here. Let's click here also, the letter A here. Let's click here. So after clicking there, we are going to click where it wrote Arial. Here I mean. So that is what I'm referring. After clicking there, let's click there and see what is going to happen. So what I prefer Times New Romans. So let's go back and highlight it first, the article. We are going to click here. After highlighting it, we are going to click select all. We will highlight the title. After we highlight the title of our article, we are going to click where it wrote select all. Let's click there. So it has been highlighted both. So let's click here. So let's head over to where it wrote Arial. Let's click here. I prefer Times New Romans. That is my favorite. Yeah, I prefer this where it wrote Times New Roman. Here I mean Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Where it wrote Times New. Times and N. Click there. You see? See how beautiful our article is looking? So that is it about it. Please, I would like you to subscribe to this channel if you are new to my channel. And if you want to learn article writing, then start your freelancing journey, you can comment CGL Skill Up Institute. I want to learn article writing. Then I'll add you to our study room. And if you want to learn article writing, content writing, copywriting to start your freelancing journey, you can comment CGL Skill Up Institute. I want to learn content writing. Then we can add you to our study room. That is the end of our video. Thank you all. And if you are new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe to my YouTube channel.